Welcome to No Code MBA and welcome to this quick video tutorial on how to set up email notifications for form submissions in your Webflow site. After the video, if you want to learn more about no code, check out the link in the description to go to our free no code tool guide to compare all of the different no code tools and to decide which no code tool is best for your project. And if you want to learn more about Webflow, click the link for our full guide to building in Webflow to learn how to build real projects in Webflow from start to finish. Okay, so if you are in your Webflow designer, what you want to do is click on the top left link here where that W is, and you want to go to Site Settings. So we want to go to our Site Settings here. The next step is to go over to your Forms tab here on the top, and then here you can see when you have form submissions and have set up forms, here's where you're going to be able to see the individual form submissions. But what you want to do in order to get the form submissions sent to you is fill out this form notifications part of the Forms tab here. So here we can say send form submissions to your email, in my case seth@nocode.mba. Subject line, you can say new form submission. Also, if you leave it blank, it should just by default say new form submission on Webflow for your site name. Reply to address, you can leave this blank. And then this as well, you can leave this blank, and by default, it's just going to tell you what the form submission was in the email body. So here, if you want to turn off form submissions, all you have to do is delete your email and click Save. So if there's no email here, then you will not get form submission. So a little trick there, sometimes people know how to turn on email notifications for forms, but don't know how to turn them off in Webflow. So to turn them off, just remove your email, and to turn them on, put your email back in. I hope this was helpful. A little quick tutorial. If you want to learn more about Webflow, again, check out the link in our description. And if you have any questions at all, please just let me know. Leave it in the comments. Subscribe to our No Code MBA YouTube channel to get all of our future videos and continue learning more about no code. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.